In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an email to the top of your Outlook inbox, making sure that important messages are always the first thing you see. This is especially useful if you constantly need to refer back to an email or if you have a particular message that requires ongoing attention. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this set up. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. This is where we're going to start, so open your preferred web browser and head to the Outlook homepage. It's the central hub for your email, calendar, and other Outlook features. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the sign in button. Give that a click. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in using your email address and password. Make sure you enter the credentials associated with the Outlook account where you want to pin emails. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's a good idea to avoid selecting the Stay Signed In option to protect your account privacy. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox. Now this is where the action happens. Scroll through your emails to find the one you want to pin to the top. Once you locate the email, hover your mouse over it. Keep an eye out for a small pin icon that will appear right there on the email line. Click on the pin icon. This action immediately moves that email to the top of your inbox. It will remain there until you decide to unpin it, providing constant, easy access. This feature is incredibly handy for those key messages you intend to keep an eye on over extended periods, such as important project updates or ongoing conversations. And there you have it, you've pinned an email to the top of your Outlook inbox. This simple yet effective method helps organize your day-to-day communication and ensures you don't lose sight of crucial emails. Pinning is reversible too. If you decide you no longer need the email pinned, just hover over the pinned email and click the pin icon again. This will remove it from the top spot and return it to its original position in your inbox. Remember, keeping your inbox organized can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency, so use these Outlook features to your advantage. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your emails more effectively. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.